Local pharmacy owners across New York State rallied to urge Governor Andrew Cuomo to sign one of the nation's toughest protections from prescription drug middlemen, known as pharmacy benefit managers. Here in Utica, state representatives, pharmacists, and pharmacy owners gathered at Parkway Drugs. Shalon Stevens has the coverage.
The New York Pharmacist Society and the Pharmacist Society of the State of New York launched a campaign known as Fix RX back in November of 2018 to improve the quality of health care provided by pharmacists, save taxpayers money, and restore equity to the distribution of prescription drugs.
These middlemen, who we as pharmacists know as pharmacy benefit managers, have been rigging prices, eliminating patient choice, and ripping off taxpayers and destroying neighborhood pharmacies.
The proposed bill will require pharmacy benefit managers, also known as PBMs, to disclose details of spread pricing in private and public insurance plans.
Spread pricing is when the PBM charges the insurer or the state, whoever the payer is, one price, and then pays the pharmacy a different price, a lower price. And they keep the difference for themselves.
The bill would also require PBMs to disclose information on discounts, rebates, and savings they receive from prescription drug manufacturers and to pass those on to consumers.
They're using rebates as saying they're lowering the prescription drug costs, which they are with the rebates, kind of, but where's that money going? It's not going back to the patients.
Shiffy says this causes patients to not receive the drug they need because the rebate is not as high.
If there was a drug out there, and we've seen this before, where there's a drug that actually costs more money to the healthcare system, but it's covered, where another drug that's cheaper is not covered. And the main reason is they're getting a larger rebate on the actual larger cost drug rather than the lower cost drug.
The bill would also prohibit PBMs from banning pharmacists from informing patients when the lower cost options are available. Reporting in Utica, Shalon Stevens, Eyewitness News.
When we return from break, our sports director